Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a glider in the forest. Gliding through a forest canopy offers an unparalleled experience, allowing you to observe nature from a unique perspective. It's about more than just flight. It's about becoming one with the environment. We'll cover essential techniques to ensure a safe and enjoyable journey, focusing on silent movement and minimal impact. Get ready to discover the hidden beauty of the forest from above. Before launching into the forest, thorough pre-flight checks are absolutely vital for your safety. Take a few moments to carefully inspect your glider's frame and fabric for any wear or tear. Ensure all harness buckles and straps are securely fastened, providing a snug fit. Always check the wind conditions. A gentle breeze is ideal, typically under 10 miles per hour. Finally, visualize your flight path and identify safe landing spots. Launching successfully is key to a great forest glide. Select an elevated spot, like a small hill or ridge with a clear path ahead, free of immediate obstacles. A gentle, controlled push-off is usually sufficient to get airborne, allowing the glider to catch the air. Once aloft, maintain a steady airspeed, typically around 15 to 20 miles per hour, to precisely navigate through the canopy's openings. Look for rising air to extend your time in the sky. Bringing your flight to a safe conclusion is just as important as the launch. Identify a clear landing zone, ideally an open patch of ground without dense bushes or large rocks. Approach this area slowly, carefully controlling your descent rate to ensure a soft touchdown. Just a few feet above the ground, gently flare your glider to reduce forward speed and land softly. Remember to always practice leave no trace principles, respecting the forest environment.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.